Nikon work with best-in-class technology providers to build innovative automation inspection solutions. Let's talk with one of those providers now. It's Martin from Prism. We're here at the Nikon Open House, and right behind me here is a totally automated inspection cell for a car body. And Martin here from Prism Automation, you guys have integrated this whole thing, designed the whole system. First of all, what does it do? We saw a demonstration. What were they showing off?
Yeah, Tom from Nikon kindly showed an excellent demonstration earlier on, showing the capabilities of their system as a measuring and an alternative to CMM. So the system, what we did is we designed and developed with them over the last 4 years, our partnership, and really sat down and looked at what is the end goal. What does the user want from his experience, whether that be the user, the end customer, or whether it be Nikon themselves in this demonstration cell. So we really took a lot of time and effort with those guys to understand what they needed and then create a faceplate and an interface and a system that was really usable for what they wanted. Like I say, we're not metrology experts. That's what they do. That's their field of expertise. Our expertise is automation, and hopefully that's something that we've brought to the table for these guys and that you'll be seeing today in the demonstrations.
Yeah, these demonstrations have been really good, but you've also been developing, over those 4 or 5 years, you developed a number of different systems for the automotive industry for inspection. Could you give us a quick overview of those kinds of systems? What do they do?
Yeah, so this one is a single robot on a rail. They have other systems where they've got a robot which is fixed to the ground and a turntable, so they can use smaller parts like a car door, as we've seen in demonstrations elsewhere today. And then right through to a dual system, so it's got two robots on two tracks on either side of a car body and two turntables. So that gives a customer a full flexibility of CMM data across a full body and parts if they want it. So that gives them all the flexibility that allows them to do a full product range.
Yeah, perfect. And what is the benefit of actually doing measurement in an automated way rather than, what would be the alternative, I guess? Why would you want to then put a system on a robot?
Yeah, so I think the main alternative, I think, is what they would refer to as CMM, which tends to be in a temperature-controlled environment. It's taken away from the shop floor, taken away from the production environment, and this then obviously takes time and effort, and in that time, production still has to carry on. So this allows that in motion, in production, feedback immediate of how the measurement systems are working for that part during that production environment.
Yeah, and today we've seen a lot of automation, automotive applications.
Yeah.
Why is that? I mean, here at Nikon, and obviously you guys at Prism Automation, is that kind of your area of expertise?
Yeah, so we've been fortunate to be in and around automotive, myself personally, for just over 30 years. Prism Automation since 2010, so we've got lots of history and experience in automotive, so that's what we would say is our bread and butter, but I think it stands us in good stead. As we were discussing earlier, I think automotive is at the pinnacle of the innovative and engineering aspects, and allows us to bring that skill base over to the likes of Nikon as a partnership to help them develop systems for their customers, which predominantly will be automotive because it's an easy showcase to do. However, we have done systems with them outside in aerospace and such other industries.
Yeah, and what's your experience working with Nikon as a metrology partner? Because you provide really slick automation applications, but you need something to put on the end of it, some application.
Yeah, I think that was one of the things that was really attracted to us to join Nikon and be a partnership with them, because we're really bought into the system that they're trying to sell. It's a fantastic metrology option. Like I say, we're not metrology experts, but everybody I've spoke to who is, and we've explained the system to them, the feedback from it is excellent. And also the team from Nikon UK, some of the guys that you met today, they're excellent people to work with, and we've sort of developed a really good organic relationship that is mutually beneficial, but it's a real team partnership, and we've really enjoyed it, and we're really looking forward to the future and what that brings with these guys.
Brilliant. So if you're looking for total inspection automation, there is Nikon's APDIS system. It's a laser radar that can do absolute measurement, and also you can automate it, Prism Automation.